Friends, today I will show you how to create a banner for the YouTube channel art. So you can sign in your YouTube channel, and this is my YouTube channel. I will sign in my YouTube channel here. Just type in your password. So friends, this is my YouTube channel. I will show you my channel here. Just go to my channel. This is my logo which I created in my last video. So just click on the customize channel. My internet is lost. Just wait. So click on the customize channel. So here you can see this is my banner, and here we have no channel art here. So first I will upload the channel art. First I will upload the wrong channel art, then I will upload the correct channel art and tell you how to correctly upload the channel art. Just click on the pen button here, click edit channel art here. I have created one banner already. I have created already one banner. First I try to upload that banner for you. This is my banner. So there are three options YouTube give you. If you are looking on the desktop, then the view will be like this. If you have a TV, then the view will be like this, and on the mobile it will be like this. If you want to change the size, you can crop also. So I have selected this one and saved. You see, you cannot see the banner also, and my banner is like this. So this is not showing here, so it means something is wrong here. Then I will show you how to correctly upload this one. Friends, the problem here is that here the written education for all, the text written is on the top side. Here also basically the text is written here, which is hiding under the subscribers and video manager. So I will show you how to put this text exactly in the middle of the banner, in the middle of this channel art. So the correct procedure is, again go to edit channel art. Here you can see one more option, how to create channel art. Just click on this one. Here you will see, you come down, here you will see image size and file guidelines. Just click on channel art templates. The channel art templates will be downloaded here. So after the complete download, which I have already downloaded here. Just extract the files here, and if you extract the files here, there is one PNG file. Open this PNG file in Paint. So when you open this file in Paint, it will give you the exact sizes of the TV. If you see on the TV, then how the image will look like, what should be the size. If you are using the desktop, what should be the size. If you use the tablet, if you see the mobile. If you use the TV, then image size should be 25601440. If you use, then the whole this size will be shown. If you use the desktop, only this portion 2560 into 423, only this portion will be shown to you. Here our problem was that my image size was, I can show you. If you see my image size, by image size is 25601440 equals to the TV size. Since I am using the desktop, so I am only viewing 2560423. I am only viewing this portion. My text is written somewhere here, so that is the reason. So somewhere here, that is the reason I cannot see this text. Okay, so I'll show you. So in order to see the desktop view with the logo, or with the text you want to show, you have to type it here. So first let me divide this area. I want to show my text in this portion only, so I will make a rectangle here. Color this one white. Color this one white. Okay. Then I will write the text anywhere in this area. Sorry, the text should be black. You can put the logo, you can put the pictures, everywhere you can put the pictures, but remember that it should be only this white box, only then it can be seen here, only then it can be seen here. Basically this portion is exactly this portion. So whatever you do, if you are seeing in the desktop, whatever you write should be here. So I will write only this one. So in order to hide this one, I will give just another color here, just to hide. like this. Just give the yellow color or whatever color you want. So I will just change the bottom of this one also, like this. Then it's okay. The whole file size is the same which I need, so I will save this one. Put the name as YouTube banner. Just okay. Now if now I will try to upload the image again and see what changes I have. Just attach the file here. Now you can see we have again three options here: desktop, TV and mobile. Say the desktop, the TV, on the TV we have the full image. On the desktop we have only the text image. On the desktop is showing only this text area. So if you want to crop this one, you can crop it here, and I will select, it will be saved, and now you see the text is coming just in the middle as I need it. Before the text was somewhere here. So in order to make the desktop banner, you have to write in this section. You have to write only in this portion. Sorry. Only you have to write in this portion. Okay. Then your image will come perfectly here. So this video ends here. Thank you for watching.